bado pia ndiye naibu mwenyekiti wa baraza la magavana. Niwasomee kisha nipeane the condolence message from His Excellency William Ruto, the President of the Republic of Kenya and Commander-in-Chief of the Kenya Defence Forces, to the family and friends of the late Mzee Joseph Jenga Mwangi. Our country has lost a man whose life was full of joy and wisdom. Mzee Joseph Jenga Mwangi was friendly, humorous and insightful. He was progressive and endowed with rich ideas that transformed the lives of many people. As a gifted teacher who mentored many young people, he was respected and admired. Mzee Mwangi will best be remembered for being hardworking, kind and amiable. We celebrate the great life that he led and the many memories that he leaves behind. Today, we join the people of Murang'a in honoring a gentleman whose light will never fade. May it be a comfort to my friend Wakili Adrian and the entire family that a grateful Kenya is praying for them at this sad moment. Rest in peace, Mzee Mwangi. Poleni sana, William Samuel Ruto, PhD, CGH. God bless you so very much.
Asante sana. Tuko na pia condolence inaingia saa hii kutoka mtoto wenu PS Elijah Mwangi, PS of Mining. Nimeona mwanabiashara ambaye ana represent wanabiashara wote wa Nairobi,
kwa sababu yeye ana cheo kikubwa hata kuliko mimi huko NC. Niko hebu kujani ndio watu waone siku kata wamekata na group kali ya sense. Unajua ni vizuri waonekane.